This one's hard. Oh, my ribs hurt. Bigger is better. I'm still going on the small one. All right, guys, we are here to finally answer the age-old question.
Can you?
Does size matter?
Oh my gosh.
The big board versus the small board. So, you know how we figure this out?
How?
Kick flip off.
Okay.
Okay, Rochambeau.
What is that?
Rebate.
You went like this. What is it?
I meant to do scissors, and then I only pointed. It's a switch stance. I'm left hand. Okay, ready?
You just got your head beaten here. Okay, one.
Yeah, because the last video, Chloe was like, Aaron, I got a good idea. Play a game of skate against the boxer and let him punch you in the face. And now I can barely walk, let alone think, let alone rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
I knew this would get you.
Okay, so what does that mean for, oh no, because I'm the little one.
So now, is that the one?
I don't know what we're doing.
We're answering the age-old question, does size matter? So this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna choose one of these, and I'm gonna do a kickflip. And we're gonna count the number of tries, and we're gonna see, easier or better to kickflip on the big one? And when I say big one, that thing is bigger than big. Or just a small one. That thing is just a little guy, smaller than small. Okay, so we're gonna count it.
Count it.
Count the tries.
Okay, yeah, I get it. I mean, I'm not gonna kick flip it.
No, I'm gonna kickflip
it.
Okay, so you won, so you choose which one goes first.
Oh, okay. Otherwise, you would have chosen which one goes first.
I have no idea where I even am. I just got literally punched in the face many times.
And in the ribs.
And in the ribs. I'm gonna have the biggest bruise right here, and it's all your fault.
It was really funny though.
It was worth it, every second of being punched in the face. Leave it in the comments below.
Okay, do this one first.
This one first?
Yeah.
Okay, now here's the other question. Should I do one kickflip on this and then one kickflip on that?
No, I think you should do 10 on that, see if you can land in 10, and then see how many, this is it.
Yeah.
You see how many you land trying 10 times, and then you see how many you land trying 10 times.
Okay, you guys got it. You heard what she said.
Yes.
10 times with the little one. Little one first.
Okay.
Okay, come over here. Now right up in there, you remember?
I think so.
Okay, too close, just kidding. There's no such thing as too close.
Oh, but then you can see my shadow. Oh, I guess I can zoom, huh?
You can. You can also get down. Yeah, see? You don't have to go to the knees.
Okay.
Okay, dang it, Chloe. This one's hard. So 10 tries, and we're gonna count this out.
Yeah.
Please land this, Aaron. If I land it first try, what do you give me?
Wait. Yeah, coffee.
Coffee every time. Okay. I actually thought this was gonna be way harder, but it's actually kind of soft. Get it? Just kidding. Okay, that was try one, right?
Yes.
So I got 10 tries.
Yeah. 0 for 2.
My ribs are bleeding inside. I literally think I have internal bleeding from being punched by the boxer. Okay, 2 tries, but I didn't think I would get it within 10. I didn't think I was gonna be able to land it in 10. Now I'm 100% guaranteed to land this within 10 tries. What do you think, Chloe?
I mean, 100%, you can't quite 100% it.
What do you mean?
You can't guarantee.
She said, no guarantee within 10 tries to land. There's one thing I know in life. Never bet against Aaron Cairo. 3 tries. It's not about the size, it's about the motion in the ocean. Okay, that was good.
Okay, so you got 1 of 3.
Wait, what do you mean?
You got 1 of 3.
No, I landed it under 10 tries.
No, I know.
It took me 3 times.
I know, but I'm just saying, how many can you land of 10?
Oh,
You
what?
see?
See, that was a misunderstanding.
Yeah.
How many can I land of 10?
Yeah, so
Okay.
1 of 3.
Well, I'm just going big versus small. So, you know,
Yeah.
I'm on team small. Team big is out of my league. Okay, so this is try 4.
Yes.
I'm still going on the small one.
Yeah. Okay, so 2 of 4.
2 of 4?
Yeah.
That's 50% ratio.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm a bad mother beep.
Whoa. 3 of 5.
3 and a mother beep, Ro.
That's 60%.
God, it's almost as if I just got punched literally in the face repeatedly by a man that had just ran 3 miles, ran a marathon, swam across the Alcatraz, and killed 12 sharks on the way. How many am I at?
3 of 6, back to 50%.
3 of 6, 50%. Okay, I gotta keep this going. I'm getting lightheaded again. I'm losing all the oxygen from my body is going to the blood that's flowing to my heart from the punch.
3 of 7.
3 of 7. So if I land this, it's 4 of 8, 50%.
Yeah.
I'm really surprised that I was able to land this within under 10 tries, which is what I was going for.
Surprised, you said 100% guaranteed.
Yeah, that I landed it, and I did, the next try. All right, sticky slat. Dang it!
3 of 8.
3 of 8. Okay, I was in that rhythm. I landed 3 in a row.
3 of 9.
So I guess the small one is good. It gets you there, but then it's like you run out of steam fast.
3 of 10, 30%.
That wasn't really like a try at the end.
You definitely tried.
Okay, thanks. Thanks a lot. There goes my self-esteem. Okay. Oh, I forgot something. Wait, we still have that tape measure, right? Oh yeah. This is what I wanted to show you guys, so you could actually see. 5, just over 5.5 inches. 5 3/4 inches. Not bad, not bad. 5 3/4 inches by 22 3/4 inches-ish. Versus, so leave it in the comments below, you got 5 inches or you got 12.5 inches. That's a big Bertha if I ever seen one. Or this way, 40 inches. 40 inches by 12.5. Okay, so what did we get on that last one? 30%.
30%.
Okay, so give me your ratio here.
40%.
You think I'm getting 40% on this?
Yeah.
Look at this thing. This thing is like, it's a monster. This is a beast mode. This is the biggest skateboard ever. And I think
I actually think it's 20%, I'm not gonna lie.
20%?
Yeah.
So you think I can get more on the small guy?
Yeah.
You just think I'm more like a small guy. This is practice steps.
Okay.
I can't believe she let me actually have that. Okay, so starting right now?
Starting right now.
Okay. My ribs hurt. If I didn't just get punched in every part of my body so I'm internally bleeding, this would be much easier. You know what's the scariest part about this?
What?
Committing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
You just look at it and you're like, it's so big. How can I just flip it and land on that thing? Let's go! First try! She was impressed.
She was.
You saw that. She was clapping. You ready?
Yes.
You recording?
Recording.
You sure?
I'm positive. Oh, no
20%, Chloe.
No,
So
you're 100% right
I would have to
now.
miss every one from here forward.
Ugh. 3 for 3, Aaron.
Well, all the jokes in my head just left. Right here?
Yep.
For all the magnums in the comments.
Ugh. 4 for 4.
Got him!
5 for 5.
I am so exhausted. I can't move my legs.
Well, it's working.
It is working, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
6 for 6. Unbelievable.
I almost stopped the board with my foot because I'm getting so fatigued. It's like, jeez. Do I get to take a break midway?
No.
I gotta keep going.
Yep, you're 6 for 6.
6 for 6. What do I get for 10 for 10?
Lunch.
Lunch?
All lunch, yeah. 7 for 7.
Holy balls! I guess it's true. Bigger is better.
8 8 for 8. Unbelievable.
It's almost as if I have been preparing for this moment my entire life. What do they call it? BDE. You know what that is?
I do know what that is, but that's not what they call this.
Oh, big deck energy.
Oh, I get it.
Wait, what am I at? 9?
Yeah, next one is 9. 9.
I almost failed that one.
Oh no, I'm gonna owe you lunch.
One more. This is for Men's Mental Health Month. This is for all the men on the internet.
Ugh. 100%.
100% ratio. So the small one was just way harder to get under my feet to make it flick and to land on it. The big one, I got plenty of space. I almost have to like try to not land on it because that thing is just spinning. But man, the commitment factor to jump on the big one is really a lot. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Should I keep going until I miss? Say
Yeah.
no, say no.
Yeah. But should we count that first one?
No.
Yeah, we should.
That was a practice step. I purposely stepped off.
No, you didn't.
I said, now we're trying. Okay, so if I land this one, it cancels that first one?
You know what I just realized though, Aaron?
What?
The way I angled the camera, it looks like you have an afro with the tree in the back.
I do have an afro.
Okay, good.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
11 of 11. This is the best one yet.
Crazy.
Dang. Oh, we got a bike gang. Oh no, we got to get out of here. Okay, 11 for 11. It's official. Who's the winner?
The bigger one.
The bigger one. Woo! All right, guys, get out there, learn to ride a skateboard, have an absolute blast. And you, yes, you, we got everything you need to learn how to ride a skateboard at brailleskateboarding.com. Keep pushing.